Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons and you can swipe left and right to scroll through the pages. Scroll through the pages until you find the theater mode icon. It looks like this. Once you find the theater mode icon and you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon. It will move you to the theater mode menu, and here as you can see it's enabled now, and you can scroll down and select one of the durations. We have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours and 4 hours. Basically, if you select for example for 3 hours, the theater mode will be enabled for 3 hours and then it will turn off automatically. You can also turn it off manually if you want to by tapping on the switch right here, but once it's turned on, basically what it does is it will disable all of the sounds on your watch and also disable some features like always on display, rise wrist to wake, system sounds, alarm sounds, timer sounds and the notifications. Basically it mutes your watch and disables the wake up screen options or features, so you won't be disturbing anyone, or you won't be disturbing yourself in the cinema or theater. Okay, and like I said before, to turn it off you can wait until the duration is over, or you can tap on the switch right here, or you can open the quick panel and tap on the theater mode icon right here on the quick panel to disable it. Another way to turn it on or off is to do it through settings. You can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu, tap on the settings icon. Here you can find the option called modes and tap on it, and here we have theater mode. You can tap on the theater mode, enable it, select the duration, and then the mode will be enabled. And to disable it, you can tap on the switch right here. One more thing I forgot to mention is when you enable theater mode, the icon on the quick panel will change the color. It will get highlighted, and also it will appear right here at the top of the screen and on the watch face right here, which indicates that the mode is disabled or rather enabled. And if you disable it, the icon will go back to the gray color. It will disappear from here and it will disappear from the watch face, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.